Okay, here we are, day one of this project. We have backsplash we're going to do. We're only going to be doing this back section here. There was tile before. They removed the microwave and have a new one put in. Basically what I have to do is prep this area. So I'm going to decide either I'm going to take this drywall off or I'm just going to clean it up. But I have to decide what kind of conditions in and kind of go from there. So this is day one, protecting the job site. As you can see, got the drop cloths down and all that. So it's going to continue on with the prep work. Day one. So first step, take out the outlet plates here, unscrew them, get those out of the way. Take my putty knife, I'm just scraping. There's a lot of work here involved with getting this one prepped. I decided to leave the drywall. It was 5/8 thick in really good shape, which is just one section where they had the old backsplash. This guy decided to mechanically scrape it off best I could. Got most of it off there, then just using my oscillator to get the remaining areas off. Those are pretty hard down low where they had the old mastic. As you can see about what the color is, how old it is. It's probably like from the 80s or so. So the oscillator with a good blade on there. I use a diamond blade, I use a wood blade to get everything off. Came off without, not too bad, but it definitely took some time. I spent a couple hours or more or so just scraping off this section and getting it ready. Once it's all off, I'm just checking with my trowel for any low areas I have to fill before. So I just filled out the whole area with thin set mortar. Get any low areas completely filled in, patched. So we're ready for the tile. That was the next step. I just used regular thin set mortar, modified mortar, and let it dry. And we went from there. Checking out, there's that bed area right there was a little bit in. So I filled that and just followed it along with my trowel there. Of course, when you're all done working in someone's house or anywhere, you want to clean up the area that you're working on. Don't leave messes. That's important. Don't leave a mess. Clean up after yourself. Okay, here we are back on site. Today's day two. Guys came in and installed this microwave. So I'm here to finish this backsplash off with those 2x2 mosaics. I'm going to prime it all up. Pay Eco Prime, get a really good surface to bond to, then install the mosaics. Day two, here we go. So here I am back after I have the microwave installed. I'm just going around with my flat trowel just to scrape off any little high spots anywhere, just making sure it's nice and flat and smooth. And of course, vacuum out that little area there so I don't have any debris all over the place. And of course, if you don't do this, a really good step. I'm taping off the whole area, the whole perimeter with blue tape and the outlets as well. So I'm applying a primer here. And this is old drywall, so I'm painting the areas. So by applying a primer like this and in this type of situation, it's really going to help with the bond of it. You don't have to do, especially if you're using thin set mortar, it should bond. But by taking this one extra step, it really ensures a really long lasting installation. You're going to get a really good bond with the whole process. Okay, primer is applied and cured. So now I'm going to actually template this mosaic, making for a really clean, efficient install. You could, since they're square sheets right over here, you could spread and set and cut as needed, and that works. But templating it, pre-cutting it, makes everything just that much more smooth.